Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. In today's video, I'm going to be getting this hall closet cleaned out and organized, so keep watching. Today I'm also collabing with my friend Marleena here on YouTube. Her channel is Marleena Jenkins Beauty TV, and I will leave a link to her channel below, so definitely go check out her channel. She's going to be doing a closet declutter and organize as well. So here is everything that I took out of the closet. It was just kind of a mess. Everything was kind of thrown in there, and I definitely need to vacuum and clean up inside. So here I'm just taking my Dyson D7 with the brush attachment and just kind of vacuuming all the dust and dirt that's been collecting in here and making it nice and clean again. After it's vacuumed, I'm going to be taking my Method all-purpose spray in this sea salt and lime scent and just wiping it down. It's a small space, so I don't have to worry about really mopping in here. I also want to make sure the baseboards and the walls are cleaned up as well. So then I move on to spraying the inside of the door. There's a lot of dust and stuff that's been collecting on it, so I just want to make sure that's nice and clean. I picked up this command strip broom holder, and I'm going to be placing it on the inside so I can put my broom up and away and not just have it on the floor. I picked up this shoe rack at Walmart. It was pretty cheap, I think maybe under $10, and pretty easy to put together. So I'm going to place this here and put a couple of our shoes and then leave a space for if someone comes over, they can leave their shoes there, not have to worry about them just being wherever on the ground. I already have this command strip hook here, and so I'm putting all my dusters in one spot, and then the rest of the stuff I was going to put away, like this tool bag. I was going to put it upstairs and just kind of go through all the cords and wires and put those upstairs as well. So this is an emergency backpack. It has a bunch of food and like flashlights and that kind of thing in here, first aid kit, so I'm going to keep that up here. And this push broom and these curtain rods I'm going to put away. The push broom will go in the garage, and the curtains I'm going to put up along with taking this trash out. So this car seat, we're actually going to be getting a new one soon. My daughter's almost grown out of it, so I'm just going to put it here for now. I'm almost done and just need to wipe the front of the door, make sure all the dust and everything is gone, and then we're done. So I'm going to show you what it looked like before again. Here's the top of it and then the lower half, and then I will show you the final results. Here is the closet now. It's so much better. I have everything in the right space. I don't have stuff on the floor that doesn't need to be. It's just a lot better now. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go and check out Marleena's channel. Again, I will leave it in the description below. And if you're coming over from her channel, I would love for you to stick around and subscribe if you wish. I will see you in the next video. Bye.